Today I'm going to be reviewing VCANENERGY's car cleaning kit. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and see what we got. This is truly a complete kit. Comes with instructions and everything that you're going to get in there. You're going to get the towel set right here. So you got a larger one. And then here is the smaller towel. While they really had thought of everything. Stainless steel, brass, nylon, so you can clean stuff within your engine compartment, hard to reach areas. Same with these little brushes here. These are going to be able to get in the crevices, like in your vents, between knobs and between buttons, between the steering wheel. You are going to get the car vacuum here that plugs in through your DC port. 10,000 PA suction power, so it can dry and it can suck. This magic gel, I had some of this. This works. And don't just throw it away after you use it once. It might be a little gross, but you just open this up, you get the blob, and you put it in like where your cups are, behind the steering wheel where you can't reach. It picks up everything, dust. It picks up dust. It picks up like gross particles and stuff that's caked on there. You throw that in there and you just smash it all over the place. Does a great job cleaning. So very nice on adding that. A pack of 3 sponges, wax application, little spray bottle. Of course, very important. We got a brush in here. Finally, to be able to clean your windshield, this is in there. Everything that you need to clean your car. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.